More than a third of faculty members suffer from burnout due to work overload, financial stress, and emotional demands, according to a recent study. We want to form a supportive community of colleagues so we can collectively work on identifying the reasons for burnout, develop better plans to take care of ourselves, and to support one another in this journey of overcoming burnout.
The insidious nature of burnout makes it difficult for us to recognize it before we reach our emotional and physical limits. We believe that we become cynical, detached, and then less productive. We believe that by working on this topic and supporting each other, we can be more compassionate and productive at work, and thus create a better work and classroom environment. Come join us, myself, Yuting Su, and Psychology Department Chair Deepti Garkanis in our workshop, Keep Our Passion Glowing, Acknowledging and Overcoming a Teacher Burnout, starting January 23rd in the Faculty Commons. I work at the Counseling Center as a psychologist, providing services to our students. And I believe that many of us experience burnout at work, and some of us don't even recognize it. Factors such as the large political environment, our families, the institution, our workload, and our students may contribute to feeling burnout.
In this workshop, look forward to having lots of discussions, completing several psychological assessments, and writing reflections on your assessment results, and also creating a plan of self-care. Most importantly, we hope you will form a support group with other colleagues to help make the college a better community. We hope there is enough incentives for you to participate in this workshop. Hope to see you there.